Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope you are all doing great. So today we're starting this very easy and pretty thick slippers. Without further ado, I'll show you how I made it. So I'm using a chunky yarn from Car2Poo and I'll put a similar one link in the description box. Check it out. The crochet hook is 7mm hook. I'm starting with a magic loop, chain 3. Then I'm going to do 20 double crochet inside the first chain from the hook. The first chain from the hook, I'm going to do 20 double crochet. So once I'm done with 20 double crochet, I'm not going to join here, but I'm going to start working my front post stitch throughout the work. So to achieve the front post stitch, what you need to do is yarn over, insert your hook behind the stitch and out on the other side and work a double crochet. You need to do that for every stitch around till row 16. So here I'm done with row 16 and from row 17 I'm gonna start a new pattern, if you can say. I'm gonna chain one and then turn. So I'm not going to work in 2 rounds, I'm gonna work back and forth. So I chain one and I'll make one single crochet in every stitch till I'm left with 3 stitches. So once you are done, you have to leave 3 stitches unworked because you're gonna go back and work the front post stitch again. So once you are done, you're gonna chain 2, turn, and work the front post stitch in every stitch back to where you started. So basically we need to leave an opening for the slippers, and that's what you're gonna repeat for the rest of the work. So from row 17 until 22, you're gonna alternate between row 17 and 18. Means you have to chain one in one row and single crochet in every stitch, and the next row which you will work on top is the chain 2 and front post stitch. The written pattern is detailed with all the information. So once you get to row 22, now what you're gonna do is fasten off and leave a long thread for sewing. So as you see me here, you turn the back side upside down, opposite side, or upside down if you want, and then you sew the heel together, or you stitch the heel together, and then you fasten off, and that's the slippers, as easy as it is. They are thick because of the yarn used, and they're very warm and very easy to achieve. You don't need to increase or decrease, you just need to know how to work the front post stitch. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.